I'm Linda Hostetler.
My name is Beth Grieser.
My name is Adam Friesen.
Hi, my name is Amy Toot.
My name is Cheryl Mast.
I am Calvin Schwarzenegger. Currently teaching Chemistry 1, Chemistry 2, and Physics 1. In physics, we study a lot of motion of objects, forces, how matter interacts with those. We get into heat thermodynamics, nuclear physics, electricity, lots of interesting things there. And students also have an opportunity to use the classroom cosmic ray detector to detect cosmic rays from outer space, and that information gets sent to NASA.
A typical class for a unit would be that we would start out with some discussion about the topic. We would have labs and hands-on activities to introduce the ideas, and then various ways of checking for understanding.
The biggest thing with science that we do is a lot of hands-on things. So for example, we started off the year learning about the earth and land forms. We created earths out of paper mache. We created edible earths as we learned about the different layers of the earth. We did volcanoes that we had a great time exploding in the parking lot. Most recently, we're working with the rainforest.
We've been able to use iPads and computers more this year in a way that we couldn't last year because we were sharing. We had a certain number and we were distributing them among the entire school. So this year we've been able to use the iPads and use computers for research. That was a big one. We could do some observation stuff with the iPads that we couldn't do before. And up until now, if you're doing a science observation, you would have to try to draw out what something would look like. And now with the iPads, just say get out the iPads and take a picture.
One of the things that I really appreciate about teaching at Bethany is the flexibility that I have to do lots of field trips and bring in guest speakers, in particular for environmental science. The course was designed with the idea to focus on local projects, local ecosystems, and so we don't have a textbook, but we do have canoes, and we have waders, and we have a pond on our campus. In fact, in 2006, there were about 100 students involved with planting native plants, native species around the pond to make it an outdoor learning lab. And so each fall we have about a week and a half of study of that ecosystem right here on our campus. We also do a study of the Elkhart River, so we go canoeing on the Elkhart River, and then we spend 3 weeks studying the chemistry, the biology, and the habitat of the Elkhart River, and we put that data in the Hoosier River Watch database, which is a statewide volunteer program.
In 7th grade, we focus mostly on human biology and things like that in the first semester, and then we do a unit on physics and some other intro to chemistry. In 8th grade, we do a lot of chemistry and physics and sort of earth science kinds of things.